I was an educator before I started coding. I taught in the primary sector. Actually, I had an interest in the early text, that's early coding for my students, and I realized I'm actually pretty good at it. I understand the logic and whatnot, and I like the outcome of what the product is, and I want to venture more. My end goal is actually to get a job, well-paid job, and enjoy the process from there. Definitely the only pain point about learning the code is understanding the code. First timer thing, you don't understand it the first time, but you gotta keep on doing it, keep on trying, and you eventually get it. I joined Sigma School as a student because I think their materials and their whole course were pretty affordable at that time. And I heard a lot of good reviews about it, so why not give it a try, right? It's pretty accommodating because learning online is definitely not easy, especially when you don't see any physical faces and whatnot. But I mean, the mentors are really, really helpful. That is for sure. So when I ask for help, I would get help within 24 hours. So that is really accommodating for someone who works full-time as well. And juggle work and coding, it's not easy. First thing I'll do after I graduate Sigma School is firstly get a job and buy a really nice keyboard. Please do not give up. We all go through this process. I don't understand, I am confused, but keep trying, ask if you don't understand, and repeat.